Good morning, students. We will continue with the chapter on the trail of the earliest people. As various students are having doubt that in our books there is no chapter second on the trail of the earliest people. Instead of that, they are having from hunting, gathering to growing food. So, students, both these chapters are same as the content in both the chapters are same. Okay, in one book there are 12 chapters, in old book. In the new one there are only 11 chapters. So for the whole class both these chapters are same, the content is same. As in the earlier class we had read I told you about the hunters and gatherers, how they move from one place to another, how they choose their place to live in. Okay, now class, in this we are going to read about the hunter gatherers, that they shift their occupation from hunting to rearing. Okay, in paleolithic age they hunt animals, gather their food. Okay, now around 12,000 years ago there were major changes in the climate of the world, with the shift of relatively warm climate conditions. This in turn led to an increase in the number of animals that survived on grass. Hunters now followed them and came to know about their food habits and their breeding seasons. With this, people start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. नाउ जो हंटर्स गैदरर्स थे, अब उन्होंने अपना जो ऑक्यूपेशन था उसको शिफ्ट किया किस पे, रेयरिंग में. व्हाट इज रेयरिंग? पालन पोषण करना एनिमल्स का. नाउ दे start taking care of their animals. And in this time also, this was also the time when several grain bearing grasses include wheat, barley and rice grew naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. Men, women, children probably collected these grain as food and learned where they grew and when they ripened. Okay class, now periods of stone age. This topic I had also told you earlier. I will repeat this, that archaeologists have given lengthy names for the time that we are studying. The first is Paleolithic, Old Stone Age. The period extends from 2 million years ago to about 12,000 years ago. Paleolithic means old stone age. This is the period of hunters and gatherers, where the early men used to hunt animals, gather their fruit. The next one is Mesolithic. Mesolithic period starts from 12,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago. Now here there is a special thing about this period. Stone tools found during this period are generally tiny and are called microliths. Microliths जो थे वो बहुत ही छोटी साइज के थे. तो इस पीरियड में, मेसोलिथिक पीरियड में, एक स्टोन फाउंड किया गया जिसे बोलते थे माइक्रोलिथ्स. एंड द पीरियड व्हेन वी फाइंड इन्वायरमेंटल चेंजेस beginning about 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago. एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस जो हैं वो देखने को मिलती हैं हमें मेसोलिथिक पीरियड से. मेसोलिथिक पीरियड में जो है इन्वायरमेंट में चेंजेस आती हैं जो इसको डिफरेंट बनाता है पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड से. और इसी पीरियड में जो है रियरिंग जो है एनिमल्स की वो स्टार्ट करते हैं हंटर्स एंड गैदरर्स. और क्रॉप्स जो है, कुछ क्रॉप्स वीट बार्ले भी ग्रो होती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज न्यूलिथिक, न्यू स्टोन एज फ्रॉम अबाउट 10,000 years ago. दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यू स्टोन एज. इस स्टोन एज में द आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट फाउंड द ट्रेसेस ऑफ फार्मर्स एंड हर्डर्स. ओके, नाउ finding out about the first farmers and herders. You can see on map second, you will notice a number of blue squares. Each marks a site from where archaeologists have found evidence of farmers and herders. Evidence means proof मिले हैं archaeologists को. Okay, some of the most important are in the northwest, present day Kashmir, and in east and south India. Okay class, now towards a settled life. Now when these hunters gatherers shift to rearing and then to the farmers and herders, when they become farmers they have to settle at one place to look after their farms. जो खेत है उन्होंने जहाँ पर ग्रो किए अपनी क्रॉप्स, उनकी देखभाल के लिए उनको एक जगह पर रहना पड़ता था. तो अब क्या है, जो हंटर्स गैदरर्स थे उन्होंने एनिमल्स रेयर किए और धीरे धीरे वो एक जगह पर जो है वो सेटल्ड हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. Archaeologists have found traces of huts at some sites. बुर्जो होम, वहां पर बुर्जो होम में आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को हट्स मिले हैं. बुर्जो होम is a place present day in Kashmir. People built pit houses. What are pit houses? Which were dug into the ground with steps leading into them. These they may protect them from the cold weather. ओके क्लास. नाउ द अर्दन पॉट्स, मिट्टी के जो बर्तन हैं वो भी मिले हैं आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को इस पीरियड में. नियोलिथिक पीरियड में मिट्टी के बर्तन जो है उनके एविडेंसेस भी मिले हैं. Many kinds of earthen pots have been also found. They were sometimes decorated and were used to storing things like grain, wheat, etc. Okay class, now in Neolithic period, most of the hunters and gatherers shifted their occupation and became farmers and herders. सेटल्ड लाइफ देखने को मिलती है, अर्दन पॉट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. अब ये सब जो चेंजेस हैं वो हर जगह हो रहे हैं, सब कॉन्टिनेंट. जब आप मैप सेकंड देखते हैं उसमें डिफरेंट पैलियोलिथिक, मीसोलिथिक, नियोलिथिक साइट्स हैं. अब उन सब जगहों पर एक ही साथ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. डिड थिंग्स चेंज एवरीवेयर? दिस कांट बी in real, not at all. In many areas, men and women continue to hunt and gather food, as in some places people adopted farming and herding slowly. Besides, in some place people try to combine these activities as different things during different season. एक season में वो hunting gathering कर लेंगे, दूसरे season में they will grow the crops. धीरे धीरे they are shifting towards the settled life and they are becoming farmers and herders. This is all about this chapter. I hope you have understood this. I had given you the homework that would underline the difficult words and write their meanings. If you had any query, please contact me. Don't hesitate in asking the questions and go and do thorough reading of this chapter. Thank you class.